As we have done the previous exercise, now we'll start with the new exercise, that is 3.3 exercise. Now in this example, what is given, that write all the factors of each of the following. We have to write the factors. First example 36, we have to write the factors. It's the same thing we have done in the previous exercise also, that we have to write the factors. So you have to think of it as you are knowing the table, that 36 comes in which tables, so that you will write 1 multiplied by 2, 1, because 1 and the number itself is always the factor of any number. Then 3 multiplied by 18, 36, 2 multiplied by 18, 36, 3 multiplied by 12, 36, 4 multiplied by 9, 36, and 6 multiplied by 6, 36. As I said previously also, that if the number is repeated, then there definitely you will stop, but sometimes it happens that the number doesn't repeat. So the all factor of 36 are 1, 2, 3, means what are the factors? You have to write all these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are the all factors of 36. So B, C, D, you can do it by yourself. Now we'll see the second example. You have to write the first 5 multiple of each of the following. First 5 multiple, as I have said previously, that when we are writing the multiple, then you can write directly the table of that number. As if we are saying write the multiple of 16, the first 5 multiple of 16, so it will be 16, 30, 48, 64 and 18. These are the first 5 multiple of 16. In the same way you will find out the remaining one. Now in the third example, sort out even and odd numbers. Which are odd number, which are even number, that you have to sort out. Simple thing, a number which is multiple of 2 is even, or 2 is a factor of that number, then also it is a even. And if it is not divisible by 2, then it is not the even number, it is an odd number. Just by observing number you can say first number is 43, definitely by observing at the ones place there is 3, so it is not even, it is odd. 48, it is even. In that way only you have to see it. Now for fourth example, write all prime numbers between 5 and 35. You have to write the prime numbers between 5 and 35. So numbers which are not divisible by another number. It have only 2 factors, 1 and number itself. They are called the prime numbers. So 7, we have to write from 5 to 35. So 7 doesn't have any factors except 7 and 1. So it is a prime numbers. In the previous pages you have one activity also. So if you will do that activity, it will be easy for you. It is given on the page number 63, finding prime numbers. So 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. These are the prime numbers between 5 and 35. Here there is no another step to find out, that you should know it. If you will do that activity, it will be easy for you. Here I have given all the prime factors between whatever the numbers are given, that you can write it or you have to search it. For the fifth example, which of the following numbers are prime? You have to tell here which numbers are prime. So you just have to cross check that whether it is having any another factor or not. So 204 is having the factor 1 and 204, and also 2 and 102. So it is not a prime number. 83 doesn't have any factors, so it is a prime number. So 139 is also not. You have to see that and then you have to compare it as you are knowing the divisibility test, and that way only you have to do it. Then in the sixth example, determine whether 21 is a factor of 21,063. So in such a case, you have to do the method. You have to try to divide it. If it is divisible, then we can get that. So 21,063 divided by 21. If you divide it, then you will get 1003. So if you get that answer, it means that it is divisible by 21. So 21 is a factor of it. Just for finding the factor or not, you have to divide it. In the same way, you will be doing the B. For the seventh example, it is given that write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. If we will start from the lower number, they are saying that less than 100. So we will start from 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Till 96 we are having such numbers which are not a composite, they are the composite numbers. Thank you, children.